Football versus Don Bosco Team B. Tawaga, pitch 1, pitch 1. Don Bosco Team B versus Danau FC Bohol. Line up one, coaches, please. Pitch number 2, 5 minutes rest, 5 minutes. Don Bosco Team A versus Football Sociedad de Tacloban. 5 minutes, Football Sociedad de Tacloban, 5 minutes. Pitch number 2, Don Bosco Team A and Football Sociedad de Tacloban. Pitch number 2, 5 minutes. 5 minutes rest, pitch 2. Don Bosco Team A versus Football Sociedad de Tacloban. Rule 13 coaches, paligo sa inyong line of form. Coaches for Rule 13. Paligo sa submit sa inyong line of form. Sociedad de Tacloban. Pitch number 2, Group C. Don Bosco Team A versus Football Sociedad de Tacloban. Pitch number 'Uptown CDO Christopher, 'Uptown CDO FC, Uptown FC, Cagayan de Oro, palihog ko, prepare na mo. Again, coaches, palihog submit sa inyong Lana form. Coaches for U13, submit your Lana form.
Kaysa ako sa hatag ang imulong.
Number 1, Group A, Sabangdako FC versus Sports Gen International White. Next game, pitch number 1, Group A, Sabangdako FC versus Sports Gen International White. For pitch number 2, next game, Group B, FA Manila Team B versus Uptown Cagayan de Oro Broncos FC. Again, next game, pitch number 2, Group B, FA Manila Team B versus Uptown Cagayan de Oro Broncos FC. For pitch number 3, Group D, Don Bosco Team E versus CFC Academy. Don Bosco Team E versus CFC Academy. For pitch number 4, Group F, Legacy FC Cebu versus Batu Spartans. Legacy FC Cebu versus Batu Spartans. Next game, pitch number 1, Subangdako FC versus Sports Gen International White. Subangdako versus Sports Gen International White. For pitch number 2, FA Manila Team B versus Uptown Cagayan de Oro Broncos FC. FA Manila Team B versus Uptown Cagayan de Oro Broncos FC. Pitch number 3, next game, Don Bosco Team A versus CFC Academy. Don Bosco Team A.
Again, sa mga players, kids, na wala pa nakatig sa pamahaw, pwede mo makadaog diri sa entrance, main entrance, para magkakaon og lugar, no? The particular order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Silang Visayas, Eagle 24, mo ini support, ihatag kaninyo para lang makakaon mo for this breakfast. Thank you so much.
We will acknowledge the teams outside Cebu. FA Manila, Danao Bohol, Cagayan de Oro, Uptown Broncos, Siliman Stallions, Dumaguete City, SPC Kings United from Dumaguete City, and Siliman University School from Dumaguete City. Again, welcome to Cebu and daghang salamat sa pag-apil. Palimutan submit sa inyong line of form, SPC Apostles Ormoc City, FC Kikos, Football Kings United, Dumaguete City, Second School, Lunas de Jesus, Luna FC, Makati FC, and Luok FC. Again, palimutan submit sa inyong line of form, SPC Apostles FC, Ormoc City, FC Kikos, Football Kings United, Second School, Lunas de Jesus, Luna FC, Makati FC, and Luok FC. Page number 4, Legacy Cebu versus Batu Spartans. Legacy Cebu versus Batu Spartans, page 4.